Today we're going to learn how to use ClassLink to log into Star Renaissance and take your STAR test. First, you're going to go to launchpad.classlink.com/ercsd. You should have this link from your teacher. And then you'll click Sign in with Google. And you need to choose your at ercsd.org address. When you get to your page, you need to find the Renaissance icon. It should look like this. If you see something that looks slightly different and says Star Renaissance, that might be the wrong one. Make sure it looks just like this. Click on it and it should log you in. If it doesn't work, check that you had the right icon. If you are an ENL student and you're in your ENL class, you would click on the Star Reading Spanish here. If you are in your ELA class, you would click on the Star Reading. And for most of you, we should be looking at the Star Math. Star Math is this icon with the red corner. You click on it. You choose your class. For the math one, you choose your math class. If it's an English one, you would choose your English class. And then you enter the monitor password. The monitor password is admin, ADMIN. So you would press that, and you would press start, and then you would begin the exam. If you have any trouble logging in, please speak to your teacher immediately so that they can help you get logged in.